project to lead on to this one because one of the drivers for this particular project is actually producing and gathering the relevant data in preparation for here. So there's tie-ups between those two projects. I'm Ian Tilsed, I'm Head of Academic Systems at the University of Exeter, and I'm co-investigator for the iPaMS project. It's trendy to put a little I in front of things, so we did it. I'm co-investigator, I'm standing in for the project manager, Sue Millward, who was unable to attend today. And it stands for Integrated Program and Module System. As I was saying, it's in part rose out of a review of our requirements for data gathering for here. And we don't have a centralized database of program or module descriptions. It's disparate as all various databases. Marketing has their requirements, the schools have their own requirements, and central administration. So we wanted to bring this together so that we have one authoritative source of these descriptors, in part preface over here. This is a wordle from our original project submission and highlight some of the key terms. What we intend to do is provide a toolkit which will allow institutions to manage program specifications and module descriptors, to support program design, monitoring and review, and to allow the publication of detailed program and module information, and also provide links to, in our case, SITS student records and our Moodle VLE, so that we can help move towards supporting the HERE requirements. Why? Because we didn't actually think there was anything out there that was generic and open source that would allow institutions to build up a database of program and module descriptors and therefore there to be any schema in place. There was the program schema provided the XCRE, and we're building on that. We're taking that one stage further and providing a database and an XML schema for module descriptors as well. So we aim to produce a generic toolkit to allow the production, management and publication of program and module information. What we want to achieve, we want to facilitate easy access to detailed and accurate course information for applicants and students. We want to form a robust archive of module and program information, archive being quite key because you need to maintain that for appeals when people have graduated. We want to enable academic content to be included in here, improve the efficiency of the academic program approval process, and part of this database and system will include an approval process for that. Improve the efficiency of publication of marketing information, which is currently rather disparate. And we hope to provide a data interface for the student record system, in our case SITS, and for Moodle, and to provide open access training materials and technical documentation and so on. So how are we going to do this? We're going to extend and produce an XML schema for module descriptors. We're going to produce a database schema based on XML specifications. We're going to develop a small web interface to allow non-technical people to input data into a potential database. And we will develop SOAP and REST web services for transfer of data between Moodle and SITS. Provide the technical documentation to install and configure the toolkit, and user documentation to manage the data. Thank you.
Thanks.